Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you ever dream of going alone to a big city like New York? Well, today I've got a simple story that can help you practice English while imagining an adventure. Listen carefully, and if you want to improve your speaking, try shadowing. That means repeating the sentences with me as you listen. Ready? Let's go. My name's Lily. And when I was 20, I decided to do something big. Travel to New York City all alone. I had always lived in a small town, and the city seemed so far away. But one day, I packed my bag, said goodbye to my parents, and took the train to New York. When I arrived, everything felt so different. The streets were crowded, and people were walking quickly, like they knew exactly where they are going. I was excited, but also nervous. I had never been to a city this big before, but I had a map, and I was ready for the adventure. My first stop was Times Square. The lights were so bright, and the huge screens flashing ads were amazing. I took lots of pictures and felt so proud of myself. I was in New York City, and I was alone. But then, things didn't go as planned. I was supposed to go to Central Park, but I couldn't figure out how to get there. The streets were confusing, and I couldn't find the right subway. I looked at my map, but it didn't help. Everything felt so overwhelming. I started walking in different directions, trying to find my way, but soon I realized I was lost. I had no map anymore, and I didn't know what to do. I felt my heart start to race. I was scared. What if I couldn't find my way? What if I was lost forever? I stopped and asked a woman for help, but she didn't speak English. That made me feel even more lost. Then a man came to me and said, "You look lost. Can I help you?" I feel nervous, but I said, "Yes, please. I need to get to Central Park." He smiled and said, "Don't worry, I know the way. I'll take you there." I wasn't sure if I should trust him, but he seemed nice. I decided to follow him. We walked through the busy streets together, and he told me about the city and how he loved New York. Finally, we made it to Central Park. It was beautiful. I thanked the man, and he waved goodbye. I felt a huge sense of relief and pride. I had found my way to the park, and I had made it through my first challenge in New York. The rest of the day was amazing. I visited a museum, took a subway ride, and even saw the Statue of Liberty. What started as a scary moment turned into an unforgettable day. I learned something important. Even when things go wrong, you can still find a way to make it right. Great job. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed Lily's story and learned something new. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you like to practice shadowing and get better at speaking. If you like the story, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories. Leave a comment and tell me where you are from and why you are learning English. I'd love to hear your story. See you in the next video. Bye for now.